Now that we have a tied-on reed, it's time to make a blank. This process should be as quick as possible. You want to do chips fly and the dusting stroke. When you do chips fly, you want the profile from the heart up to be downhill. Dusting stroke, you should remove enough cane that on a dial indicator with a tongue, the center of the heart measures 50 millimeters, no less, and hopefully no more. So here's my process of making a blank. Notice chips are flying. That's a good sign. It's an aggressive stroke. I then do my dusting stroke, crossing back and forth across the reed. A lot of cane coming off. And with time you'll learn how much it is to get that measurement of 50. I then quickly pick up my tip clipper and with a rotational cut, not a guillotine style, clip the tip and click the overlap into place. There's our blank.